how's your week? For me, I am grateful that I had a productive week. Lots of people want to be productive, but not all of us can do that because of different life or even health issues. So for me, every single day that I've been productive, that I wake up in the morning is a blessing. And there is always something that we are grateful for and hope, and I hope you too. So by the way, if you're new here, I'm Lovely. Welcome to my new subscribers and welcome back to my subscribers. Thank you so much for continued watching my channel and for your support as well. So for today's video, I'm going to do our collaboration with 7 different channels, and we call it Summer Scavenger Hunt. If this is your first time to know about this collaboration, let me explain. So how does it work? First, you need to find the scavenger map to know the location of the map. You have to go to Jacqueline or Jack of My Girl Budgeting. She's the brain of this collaboration. So you have to watch her video with the thumbnail of this one. All of us will doing this thumbnail, so you will know which one of us have their turn already. And she already show what's her secret word, which is not secret anymore. And after knowing the secret word, she rolled the dice and she rolled 6. So all of us will save 6. I don't know if it's you have to follow this amount or you have to do it yourself. But for me, I will follow this amount as a collaborator of this scavenger hunt challenge. So after my girl budgeting, you have to go to the next channel, which having this thumbnail as well, and know the secret word. So this is a word and save challenge. And Victoria of B Dennis Saves already had the video, as well as Bobby of Canadian Finance Journey and Amber of Cheesecake Budgets. So before you reach this video and know my secret word, you have to visit their channel first and subscribe. So subscribe for all of our co-collaborators. This 8 of us, so you have to subscribe. And at the end of this saving challenge, which is at the end of this collaboration on June 1, there's a grand prize. But if you want to join the grand prize and know the rules, you have to go back to My Girl Budgeting, and she will tell the rules and how it's going to be. So they already saved how much? Let's check. So 6 for My Girl Budgeting, 6 for B Dennis Saves, 2 for Canadian Finance Journey, and 3 for Cheesecake Budgets. So it's 17. So let's see if we have $17 here. So for now there's a $17, and I will combine it later with my dice. So you want to know what my secret word is? So continue to watch this video. May I ask what you received on Mother's Day? Or if you're not a mother yet, what is your favorite flower? Do you prepare flowers, jewelry, or other things? As for me, I appreciate and grateful for all the things I receive. And, and for that, let's open some gift, and I will show you here what I received last Mother's Day. So at the eve of Mother's Day, I received this flower is a cloth flower that my one of my daughter gave me. And the following day, I received a bouquet of flower that my son gave me with a letter. They're so sweet, and I'm grateful to God that I have a kind and sweet children like them. And also yesterday, I received two gifts, two Happy Mail here from my. This is from my Amiga B, and this is from Ma'am Queen, uh, YouTuber as well, a cost budgeter as well, and she's doing YouTube now. She got a channel that I will link below. So before I open this, did you catch the secret word? If you don't, I'll show you again. So what do you receive last Mother's Day? I received this too. Now let's roll the dice to determine how much I will save. So let's save it. So 4. So 4, I will put it, I think, in here. So the total now is 17 plus 4 is 21. So let's save 21 here. And this saving so this challenge comes with a envelope, and I write down all my co-collaborator and the date. So the next channel after me is Saving with Bunny, and you have to wait for that. I think on May 22 she will release that video. So for now, I will not write down the secret word here, but which I already know until me. Okay. So now we got $21 and save it in here. So I really want to apologize for my explanation because I don't know how I executed it nicely, but this is the way I think about it. So let's open the Happy Mail now. But before that, I have a freebie. So if you want to have this freebie, this is a summer freebie that I made, and I hope you like it. This is a watermelon juice, and you can roll and save. And for this one, each icon you can determine how much you want, or you can roll and save as well. It's your free will to do this, and this one also. And it's up to you how you're going to save, how to determine each icon how much. But for me, I will do it later after my other saving challenges. So just wait for that. I will put the link below so you can have this freebie, and I hope you like it. So let's open this gift now. So I still have how much here for this challenge? I still have $9. So let's keep it here first and open this. This is from Mom Chanel. What's inside? What's inside? This is my first time to open it. I really want to open it last night, but I wait for this time to show it to you and how excited I am to open it. Let's do this. Come on. Dun, dun, dun. Yay! I think, oh, this is a small vacuum. Yay! Mom Chevelle, I think I got it wrong because I'm thinking maybe she'll give me a dice tower or something, or the folder that she also had, but I didn't realize that I will get the vacuum. Yay, man! Thank you so much. Oh my god, it's so nice and cute. And I'm just waiting for my order from Rox and Madeline. This is a scratcher that I ordered from Etsy. I hope it comes soon, so I will use this one. Oh man, thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day. I will try it later. And the next one, let's put it back here. I got my guess is wrong. Thank you, Mel. Thank you, Mom She Queen. There's a cleaner. There's a brush cleaner there. And and the next one is from Amiga V. She don't have a YouTube channel, but she you can see her commenting on my videos and other channels as well. So let's open this. So here to you, lovely budgets HK. Happy Mother's Day. Hope you like it. Love you. Wow. Airport to what's inside? What's inside? Actually, we bought the wrapper together yesterday, last night, but I told her no need to wrap it out, and I appreciate it. And she knows that I like butterflies, so she bought this one. What's inside? Oh, I don't want to. I want to use it as. I think she want to ribbon it down. What's inside? Dan 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 dan. Oh, nice tower! I thought Mom Shima will give me this one, but Amiga B will bought for me this one. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm a little bit. Wow, so nice. Thank you so much. Let's try this. Let's try this. Oh, how to fix this? Like this. Sana wag ko masira. Yun. Okay, I show it like this. Wow! And it's red. You know my favorite color is red and pink. Yay! Thank you so much. Let's put the butterfly here. Thank you so much, my amiga, my BFF. One of my BFF. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video and and I hope you get excited with me. Thank you so much for being here and I surely enjoy this dice tower. Thank you so much and thank you all for watching and don't forget I will put the link below so you can have this. Thank you so much, lovelies. Thank you so much, lovely friend. Thank you so much for my co-collaborator and my subscriber. I really appreciate you being here. That's all for now. See you all lovelies later. Bye. Thank you. Bye.